Assalamu alaikum students. I am Awais Ahmed Shakir from Maryland High School. Class 10 students, exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6 we discuss about the another method to solve the quadratic equation, cubic equation. The name of this process is called the synthetic division. In exercise 2.6 we solve the equation by the synthetic division method. For example, question x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, if we want to solve this equation with the help of synthetic division, the question is x square minus 2x is equal to 0. The roots of the equation, the roots of the equation is minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3 are two answers of this equation. It means minus 1 and 3 are the roots of this equation. When we solve this question with the help of synthetic division, we write the coefficient of this equation. The coefficient of x square is 1, the coefficient of x is minus 2 and constant term is minus 3. No, the process of the synthetic division is in the form of this. First we divide by the minus 1. The first term, put the 0 in every question. In every question, the first digit, put the first digit down, the first digit is 0. It means the plus, adding the plus and 0 is equal to 1. After that, multiply the both term. Minus 1 multiplied by 1, minus 1, add the both term is equal to minus 3, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 3, minus 1 multiplied by minus 3, 1 3s are 3, minus minus plus, it means plus. The answer of minus 3 and plus 3 is equal to 0. It means the term is showing this 0 is showing the minus 1 is the exact answer of this equation. It means this term is name the remainder. It means remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. And this term is, we write the term is q of x. It means quotient of x is equal to, when x square is divided by one term, it converts into the power 1 minus x square divided by x. It means x square 2 minus 1. It means x raised power 1. When x is divided one time, the coefficient, the power is removed one time. It means this term is start from the x minus 3. X minus 3. It means the quotient of x is equal to x minus 3 and remainder of x is equal to 0. And we verify the second roots. Write the coefficient of again 1, minus 2 and minus 3 divided by 3. First term put 0 plus 1, 3 1s are 3, plus 1, 3 1s are 3, minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. The remainder is 0. It means the equation showing the remainder is 0. We can say that 3 is a real roots of the equation. It means 3 is the exact answer of this equation. We write the coefficient q of x is equal to, one time is remove x square plus 1 and remainder of x is equal to 0. Students, solve the question number 1 and question number 2 are the same method, same pattern, same method is apply on the question number 1 and question number 2, solve it. Thanks.